You've heard it all before. New year, new you, top 10 resolutions, transform your life in 30 days. Sounds great, right? But let's be honest. You've tried it all. Eat better, work out, save money. You know what you need to do, so why are you still stuck? Why is your big comeback always tomorrow, a day that never comes? Here's the truth. Your foundation is broken. Most advice out there is surface-level nonsense. I'm not here to give you another hack or motivational quote. I'm here to tell you how to completely rebuild yourself from the ground up, starting right now. Stay with me. I'm not just going to tell you what to do. I'm going to tell you why you're failing and exactly how to fix it. The dopamine mirage. Let's be honest. Life's full of traps, and one of the most dangerous isn't some external enemy. It's in your own head. Every time you're glued to TikTok, tearing through a bag of chips, or watching one more episode of that show you've already binged twice, you're feeding a monster called dopamine. Dopamine is a sneaky chemical. It's not evil, but it's tricky. It rewards you for doing things that feel good now, even if they're bad for you later. Your brain loves shortcuts, and dopamine is the ultimate shortcut. Why work hard for a long-term reward when you can feel amazing by just hitting play, swiping up, or taking another bite? Here's the twist. The more you chase quick dopamine, the less satisfying it becomes. You've probably felt it. That video isn't as funny as it was yesterday. That pizza isn't hitting the same way it used to. But you keep going, thinking the next hit will be the one. Meanwhile, the bigger, harder-to-reach rewards, real health, true success, actual happiness, start to seem further away. Your brain forgets how to work for them. You're stuck in the dopamine mirage, chasing illusions. Now let's talk about breaking free. Maybe you've tried. You've said, no more junk food. Or, this is the year I'll stick to my goals. And maybe you made it a day, a week, even a month. But it sucked, didn't it? You felt like you were fighting against yourself. That's because you were. Here's the raw truth no one tells you. Self-improvement isn't about feeling good. Not at first. Growth doesn't come wrapped in a dopamine high. It's uncomfortable, awkward, and sometimes painful. It's waking up early when your bed feels like a cloud. It's saying no to the easy fix and yes to the grind. It's showing up even when you don't want to. But here's the good part. The pain is temporary, and the rewards are permanent. The first time you hit the gym, it's miserable. The second time, still sucks. But after a while, something shifts. The hard stuff starts to feel less hard. And the rewards? They're real. Not fleeting like a dopamine hit, but solid, life-changing, foundation-building rewards. You don't have to quit dopamine, you just have to stop letting it run the show. Start small. Replace one cheap hit with a real win. Instead of doom scrolling, read something that challenges you. Instead of eating garbage, cook something wholesome. Will it be fun at first? Probably not. But stick with it, because every time you choose discomfort over the easy way out, you're retraining your brain. You're reclaiming control. Remember, the dopamine mirage doesn't have to own you. You can step out of the loop. You can choose what matters. And when you do, you'll discover something even better than the cheap highs you've been chasing. A life that feels genuinely, deeply rewarding. Not because it's easy, but because it's worth it. The truth about change. Here's the science. When you cut out instant gratification, social media, junk food, mindless TV, your dopamine levels crash. You feel bored, restless, and like you're failing. This is called dopamine recalibration. It's your brain detoxing from the junk it's used to. And it sucks. But if you push through, something amazing happens. Your brain starts to find joy in the hard things, long-term rewards, real progress. Think about it like the gym. Watching workout videos might make you feel productive, but unless you're actually lifting weights, you're not getting stronger. Improvement isn't about motivation. It's about showing up and doing the boring hard work until it becomes normal. Stop chasing happiness. Most people think they'll be happy when they lose weight, make more money, or fix their life. But real talk? Happiness isn't the goal. Pride is. You'll never feel proud of eating a pizza or binge watching a show. Pride comes from doing the hard stuff even when you don't want to. This ties into delayed gratification. Decades ago, researchers ran a fascinating experiment. They gave kids a jar of cookies but told them they could only have one now, or wait a few minutes and get more later. Most kids caved, grabbing the cookie right away. But those who resisted, they weren't just patient, they were rewiring their brains for resilience. Years later, the same kids who held out were found to have better grades, stronger relationships, and more stable careers. Why? Because they learned a critical skill, trading short-term pleasure for long-term success. It's not about cookies. It's about mastering the toughest muscle in your body, your mind. Every time you resist the quick fix and choose the hard path, you're upgrading yourself. Success isn't about instant gratification. It's about playing the long game and winning. When you stop chasing happiness and start chasing purpose, you'll notice something weird. Happiness starts chasing you. The Rebuild Blueprint. Reinvent your foundation. Forget resolutions. This is about designing a life you don't need to escape from. 2025 isn't just another year. It's the start of your evolution. Break it into 3 focused stages. Each stage is a mission. One goal at a time, no fluff, just action. Mission 1. January, February. Reset your fuel. Your body runs on what you feed it. Start simple. For January, aim for 80% clean eating. Think lean proteins, veggies, whole grains, fuel, not filler. By February, tighten it to 90%. Here's the twist. Give your meals a theme. Week 1. Experiment. Try 1 new healthy recipe a day. Week 2. Simplify. Find 5 meals you love and master them. Week 3. Strategize. Prep your meals like your week depends on it, because it does. Week 4. Reflect. Log what works, what's easy, and what derails you. End February, knowing your triggers and with a simple menu that works for your life. Mission 2. March, April. Strengthen your core. No, not just abs, your physical and mental core. This phase isn't about following trends, it's about consistency. Pick one thing. Hate running? Try a 10-minute walk after lunch. Gym shy? Body weight exercises in your living room. No equipment? Push-ups, planks, and squats are free. Here's the strategy. March. Build consistency. Even 5 minutes a day counts. April. Build intensity. Go from 5 minutes to 20. Add weights. Add variety. Track yourself. Not for perfection, but for progress. Each rep, each step, each stretch is a brick in the new foundation you're building. Mission 3. May, June. Reboot your mindset. Here's the secret. Everything starts in your head. By now, you're eating better and moving more. Now, it's time to think better. Every morning, spend 5 minutes writing down 1 thing you're grateful for, 1 fear or challenge you'll face today, 1 small win from yesterday. This isn't a diary. It's a weapon. Gratitude fights negativity. Writing down fears shrinks them. Wins build momentum. By June, add a weekly reflection. Ask yourself, what am I doing that's working? What's still holding me back? How can I do better next week? 2025. Your Launchpad. This isn't just a 6-month plan. It's a launchpad for a new you. Each mission builds on the last. By July, you'll have the habits, strength, and mindset to tackle anything. Forget motivation. It's overrated. Build systems instead. This isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up. Rebuild yourself brick by brick. Are you ready to stop dreaming and start building? Accountability. Stop lying to yourself. Accountability is key. At the end of each month, evaluate yourself. Did you stick to your habits? If not, why? Hold yourself to a higher standard. Drop a comment on this video with your progress. I'll read it, like it, and give you that extra push. But don't depend on me or anyone else. True growth comes from you. Watching videos like this won't change your life. Only action will. So here's your challenge. Close this video. Write down 1 habit you'll start today. Do it. Remember, self-improvement isn't about motivation. It's about discipline. Keep grinding and make 2025 the year you finally break through. Your future self is waiting. Don't let them down. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.